Mix, mix.
Hop, hop.
Okay, you can put in butter, right? And help melt the butter.
Papa.
Little hamburger, isn't it? Is it tiny? You like it? Let's add a little ketchup on it.
Okay.
Alright, let's go inside. Alright. There you go. This is how you eat it, like this. It's a little warm though.
More apple. That's tiny. More apple.
Alright, let's go play for a little bit. Yeah. What's up, guys? Today's day 1667 of us living the van life lifestyle with a family of 3, soon to be 4, traveling to the US, and we're currently in Billings, Montana. This is a day in our lives. We just got done with breakfast and we are about to just play a little bit in the playground here before we continue making a drive eastbound towards New York. Our next stop is going to be the Theodore Roosevelt National Park. We'll get there in about 2 days. It's about a 4-hour drive from where we are right now, so we're going to stop somewhere in between where we're going to camp, and then we're going to continue to drive the following day. But let's hang out here in Billings for a little bit before we start making our way. This playground here is one that we always came to last time we were in Billings when we hit a deer, and we were stuck here for 45 days. So kind of reminiscent of this place. Hi, Spence. You look so grown up with this haircut and doing this swing here. Straight, bend, straight, bend. Very nice, Spence. Great job. You're so high up there. Monkey, I see you there. I see you there. We're leaving Billings now and continue driving towards Theodore Roosevelt National Park. we're not gonna make it to the national park today. So we're gonna drive halfway, about 2 hours and 16 minutes. And it's gonna be a spot where we're gonna be camping for the night. This place, Billings, has been a really memorable place for us because we stayed here for literally 45 days last time we were here about almost a year ago. When we hit that deer, we were stuck here and we explored this city extensively. Went to all the playgrounds, indoor playgrounds, the zoos here, everything that we can possibly bring Spencer. I think we did most of it already. It's actually a pretty decent city. It's pretty nicely organized with a cool downtown, and yeah, it's definitely a city that has a place in our minds, our hearts. We're leaving now, and yeah, we're gonna keep making our drive. This drive here east of Billings is a whole lot of nothing. Just grassland and farm ranches. Where do we go from here? The navigation sort of ends here. And this is called the Matthews Recreation Area. Wrong side? Well, that's what the navigation. While Rena takes a look, I'm just gonna keep driving for a bit. Just keep going straight? Okay, we'll keep going then. Alright, so I guess we're turning into here. This is Matthews Recreation Area. Okay, I guess we'll wait for the RV to come out first. Is it by the water?
Yeah, it should be by the water.
Okay, let's take a look. No parking on boat launch. There's a boat launch here. This is Lewis and Clark National Historic Trail. Okay, yeah, looks like there's a spot right here. Pretty cool. There's a fire ring here. Is this the only site? It's like a walking trail here. Can I just park it?
I guess so.
Okay. I think we are fine here. We'll just stay here. Spencer is still napping. And yeah, we'll just hang out at this spot here for the rest of the evening. It's just really for one night, so shouldn't be a big deal. Hi, Spence. How's your nap? You napped for like 2.5 hours. You had a good nap? You wanna play outside?
Huh.
Yeah, let's go play outside. Let's take a look at this area that we're camping in. Yeah, it's actually by a river here. And there's a fire ring, which I don't think we're gonna use. And there's a picnic table here. Just threw garbage in here. That's not very cool. There's a walking path. We can even walk around here. What do you think? We can check out the river over there. Let's see where this path leads to.
Yeah.
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 You wanna go down? You wanna go see?
Yeah.
Yeah. What river is this? Oh yeah. There's like a little beach area over there. Oh yeah. It's a pretty nice little beach here, but yeah, the water is moving too fast. We shouldn't be playing there. We can just kind of enjoy the view here. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of sand here. Yeah, it's just sand. It's a beach.
We're not gonna touch the water. It's so dirty.
Throw some rocks.
Oh. Yay. Oh no.
This right here is actually Yellowstone River. Oh no, you got sand all over you.
Cái là bọn整上嚟條。
Alright, let's go back to the van. Kind of messy smells. Let me see your hand. You got sand on your hand. Let's walk. So we're gonna wash up before we go back inside, okay?
Let's take a go.
Look here, all sandy here. Yeah, the shoe. You wanna see feet? Whoa. Wiggle. What about your hand? You put your hand in it. And the other one? All right. Tonight we're going to be making a pretty simple dinner soup using tomatoes, spinach, and we got some thin ribeye steaks. It's going to be really good. Got some corn. I don't know if you want to make some corn, but it's going to be marinating the ribeye here. That's it next to you. Just use this one.
Yeah, making food.
Do you need a tomato paste?
I don't think so.
Yeah, how are you doing? Get the lid too. Get the lid too.
I think I'll fold your boat. Nhưng mà có cô tải không?
The recipe for the soup requires the water to be placed in it to be very hot. So here it is. I have to boil it separately. We only have one stove. And the corn. Toss in the spinach. And I'm going to add a pack of the beef bone broth in here and add more flavor. This is pretty much done. I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm going to cook 2 udons. We'll serve it with the soup. And one last step, toss in the ribeye beef here. Just wait for it to get back to a hard boil. And we're ready to serve. It's kind of like hot pot. A bunch of beef here. This is our simple van life meal. Tomato spinach with ribeye meat, soup, and with noodle on this one. Let's eat. What's wrong with me? Any more flavor, or you think it's good?
I think I need some soy sauce and sriracha. Có dụng đâu này.
Pretty good soup. Nice and sweet. Got a little bit more salt and pepper. Not bad. Right? Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. We're going to enjoy our dinner and spend the rest of the night here at this camping area. Tomorrow we're going to continue driving towards the Theodore Roosevelt National Park. You guys want to keep watching our time here in Montana and then later on North Dakota. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. That's a good slurping face, Spence.
Papa.
Hey, say.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Okay. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.